Hey, why on earth do you think that you do not need to go online? Why in today's time, when you can make this world your market, why do you want to be limited with only one location or one city or one country? I am a chartered accountant and I had an option to do audits and accounting for clients locally. I also had an option to go global, work with global clients, work with global customers, work with a global team. And somewhere I have achieved that, and now that I have achieved that, I nowhere feel myself to be bound by boundaries or geographical areas, and I do not need to be when I can transact with somebody sitting in US and somebody sitting in UK, London, Europe. Why do on earth should I only transact with people in Kolkata or in a particular locality? Why? When I have all the abilities, when I have all the resources to reach out to that part of the world where not everybody can, why should I limit my capacity? Why should I limit my possibility of reaching out to everybody on earth than to only reach a particular locality or a particular community? Why? I don't know why a lot of us have been giving excuses of I do not want to go online. I do not want to have a website. I do not want to be on social media. I hate social media. I hate being online. Why? When the world is changing, when everything around you is changing, why don't you want to change? When the banking system was changing, people were very reluctant about the safety and the security, but people had to change. The banking employees had to change. People who resisted, people who did not change had to lose their jobs, and those who retained their jobs were the ones who learned and upgraded. So the entire ecosystem is about learning every single day with whatever new things is happening around us. We cannot choose to not learn today, because if we choose to not learn new things every day, we will be kept out in the marketplace. With the speed at which things are changing, with the speed at which technology is upgrading itself, we cannot choose to stay where we were where we were 10 years back or 5 years back. We cannot be with the same set of learning that we got some 20 years back. We have to upgrade, we have to unlearn, we have to learn every single day of our life. We cannot limit ourselves with our earning. We cannot say that I have been doing this and I will only be doing this. If I want to grow, if I want to achieve everything that I have wanted to achieve, I will have to learn. I'll have to learn new things, and I'll have to do new things every single day. I'll have to take risks. I will have to be ready to fail, but I'll have to move ahead. I'll have to move forward. I cannot just say that no, I won't. I'll do business the way I have been doing. And if you think so, be ready to fail. Be ready to fail very badly, because the marketplace will not listen to your excuse. The marketplace will treat you as if you are somebody who does not have any updated knowledge. And if you do not have updated knowledge, if you have not learned new things, if you have not learned new technology, trust me, you are no one. You do not exist in the marketplace. Today, if your business is not online, you do not exist. Today, if your business is not on Google Maps, today if you do not have a website, if your business is not active on social media, you are dead. You are virtually dead. Just imagine, for the last 6 months of pandemic and coronavirus that we have been into, where were the customers looking for us? Where, if they had to look for our service, where did they find us? Where were they looking for? It was online. It was on social media. They were 100% of their times hooked up doing something on their mobile or doing something on internet. They did not have an option to go out. So who do you think benefited the most? Who? It was the online businesses. It was people who were online. It was people who were active online. It was people who were doing a lot of things online. We as an IT company benefited from the pandemic situation because we pushed in a lot of resource. We pushed in a lot of learning activities even in this pandemic times. We did not stop us, or we did not pull ourselves back. I personally gave in with so many things. I tried, I learned new skills in the last 6 months. I tried new things. I started new businesses in the last 6 months. I grew my top line. I had new clients, I had new team, I had new employees joining me every day. So I did a lot of things, and most of the things were only possible because I was online. Had I not been online, I would have not survived. Trust me, I would have not even survived for a single month if I was not online. I would have been crushed into depression. I would have been crushed into with liabilities, with rentals and with EMIs and with all the expenses that I have over me. I would have been crushed to death. But I survived, and I survived extremely well. It was only because I was online. And if you are not online, you must be understanding what I am saying, because the last 6 months were really bad, really bad, and it gives every reason, it gives all the reason to us to be online. And to make sure that we are online, we have to make learning a continuous process. We cannot choose to not learn new things, new businesses, new ideas, new practices. And if we learn, our business learns. If we stop learning, our business stops learning. Business is a true representation of us. So if we stop learning, we stop upgrading, we stop bringing new technology to us, our business never gets new technology. So if you learn, your business learns. So you have to choose what you want to be. You want to be on the global map, you want to be actively doing business, you want to grow your business, you want to go to the top line of the business, then you have to be online. And it does not really matter whether you have a global business or you have a local business. Even if it's a local business, still you have to be online, because even the local businesses are being searched online. My neighbor is not coming to me for their IT project. Where are they looking for? If they want an IT project to be done, they are not coming to me. They are looking for an IT company online. Even if your neighbor is looking for your product or your services, they won't come to you, but they will choose to go online and look for the product and services. So if you think that you are safe if you're not online, because there is a lot of crowd and noise in the online platforms, you do not want to go there, that is not possible. You have to be there, and you have every reasons to be there. You cannot give me one reason why you should not go online, why your business should not be online. Any business, be it any business, be it a B2B, B2C, a retail, a wholesale, services, training, education, any business it is, does not really matter. You have to be online, and trust me, there is no other option than being online. If you have any questions, how you can be online, how you can get online, and you can get online at zero investment, my other videos have a detailed brief of how you can get online with zero investment. Do make sure that you see that video of mine, and if you have any questions, make sure that you ask in the comment below, and like and subscribe my channel to get regular updates. तब तक के लिए have a great day. Thank you.